Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up into a Dropbox account on your PC. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is go to any browser you want and simply search for Dropbox like I'm doing right over here. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on the first link, which is going to be dropbox.com. I am currently already logged in. I'm going to go ahead and log out and show you how you can sign up. So in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you want to click on this create an account button, and here you want to go ahead and enter your first name, last name, your email, and create a password, and click on create an account. And a one-time password will be sent to your Gmail account, which you'll have to go ahead and copy paste into another tab, which is going to be right over here. And then your account should be created successfully and easily as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.